Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Danae Dubois, and today I'm going to be doing something a little new on my channel, and you guys are going to be cooking with me. So what I'm showing you all is all the ingredients that I use to prepare my dish. I have mushrooms, onions, pepper, corned beef, basmati rice, and seasoning. So I set the stove to a 5. The highest it goes is a 6. Next, I have already pre-seasoned my chicken. Now I'm just like patting it down with a paper towel to get off the excess water because we're going to be frying it. So now that the oil is hot, I am going to begin frying my chicken. The seasonings that I used to season the chicken was garlic powder, sea salt, black pepper, and a shrimp cube. And I did all of this the night before because I love when the seasoning sits in the chicken. It gives it like a really nice flavoring, like you can chew the bone. So this is just an extra step. If you don't have plantain, you don't have to go out and get one. I just had a ripe one sitting at the house and decided to fry it with the chicken. I got hungry, y'all. So the plantain and the chicken is done, and now we're gonna begin on the stew. So here I took out some of the oil from after I fried the chicken, and now I'm just adding my chopped onion. I chopped one whole large onion and then only half of a large onion. So one onion and a half, and then I'm putting a habanero pepper in with it so it could like stir up and be spicy. So I adjusted the heat to a 3, and now I'm just gonna stir it up a little bit and then allow it to cook. So this is how it's starting to look after about 5 minutes. I went ahead and turned up the heat to a 4, so I would say medium heat. And I'm gonna start putting in my garlic powder. I'm using a fourth of my shrimp cube, and I'm also gonna put some black pepper and some sea salt. So I did about 5 taps of black pepper and about a teaspoon of sea salt, because a majority of the seasoning is going to come from the shrimp cube. It has such a great flavor, but if you feel like that isn't enough seasoning for you, you can go ahead and adjust it based off of your taste buds, and yeah, make it your own. Make this recipe your own. So I ended up not opening the corned beef the right way and having to scoop up all of it, like just giving myself extra work. So don't do what I did. Take your time and open it the correct way. So I did wait until the onions were golden brown before adding in my corned beef, and now I'm just like mixing it together. What I would say is be very careful because the corned beef already has a pretty salty taste. So be very careful when you're adjusting your seasoning that you don't make it too salty, because that can ruin the entire dish. So just be careful. I decided to put my rice on. I am using the basmati rice. It's similar to the jasmine rice, and I just added a teaspoon of olive oil. Now I am adding in some mushrooms. You can skip adding in mushrooms if that isn't what you like, but I had a lot of leftover mushrooms from when I did tacos, so I'm just throwing it all in here. So you want to keep stirring and mixing in all of your ingredients, making sure that the seasoning and everything is evenly distributed around the entire pan. So now I'm just going to check on the rice. The rice is looking pretty good. I am going to let it steam a little bit, and I'm going to allow my stew to cook a little more, but I am going to go ahead and adjust my seasoning. So I am putting in another fourth. So basically I use half of the shrimp cube for this pan, and I'm going to put a little bit more garlic powder and just a little bit more, and like 2 pinches of salt. So after 5 minutes, I decided to go in and add my chicken. This is completely optional. If you want your chicken to remain crispy, then just keep it to the side. But I always add my chicken to my stew. Boom. Okay, so here is the finishing product. Y'all, this, I am so happy with how this came out. It tastes so amazing. It was so simple to make. And I just really hope you all try out this recipe. If you are new, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome to my channel. If you are returning, thank you so much for watching, and I really do hope to see you all in my next video. Bye!